What's up guys, we're here sa store. To know Friday na naman.
Featured brand for today is the St. Michael. Saint and 6 times the X.
6 na X.
6 times the X.
Wala, triple X lang alam ko eh.
So yung suot ko ngayon is the St. Michael in collaboration with the CPFM.
Angas ah.
Yung OG sneakers, alam to, or the Cactus Plant. Flea market, guys.
Yeah, maraming mga collabs din yan with Nike, may
Yes,
earphone yan. Oo, ganda na earphone niya, kaso mahal eh.
Special dito, guys. This is exclusively handcrafted in Japan.
Ah, parang beverage lang sa Starbucks, handcrafted, no? Actually, meron din ako St. Michael guys, di ba? Yung collab with Denim Tears.
The brand St. Michael was found by Sir Yuta.
Si Yuta.
And, ba yun, brother?
Ah, sorry, no.
And si Sir Khalid Duet, which is known for his collab with Kanye West. A local native of LA.
Ah, taga-LA, taga-Lakers. Lakers yan.
Los
No,
Angeles.
Lakers.
Oo, Tinalo nga lang, diba?
Talo, diba? Talo sa
Sino
Timberwolves.
naman?
Sila, actually marami pa ibang players yung susuot ng St. Michael. It's a very popular na fashion brand siya sa streetwear. Another thing about St. Michael guys is actually some of its design are really just inspired designs similar to Chrome Hearts. Pero yung Chrome Hearts mahal eh.
Mahal ba yan?
Mura lang ba yan?
Mura lang to.
Magkano
Parang
yan?
entry level lang. Nasa 45,000 guys.
45,000. Pero very few yung pwede yung puntahan para mabilhan or para maka-purchase kayo ng St. Michael.
Yes.
Saan
Balik na natin.
Saan bumili?
Ito, nabili ko sa Prism Store.
Ayun, no?
Kami, kasi sa Prism, pinipili na namin yung magaganda. So,
Ang tawag ng curated.
curated na guys.
Curated. So,
diba?
curated collection.
So, yun lang guys. It's another segment of Good to Know Friday.
Yun, sana marami kinatutunan guys. Paalam!